everyone, my name is Jessie and welcome back to my channel. And so for this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious lemon bars. And I'm using the recipe from Magnolia Table. This is the first one. And you guys, this is super easy and delicious to make. And so without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the things you'll need to make these delicious lemon bars is some non-stick cooking spray, along with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, along with 2 sticks of butter that has been melted, and half a cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 4 eggs, and to put the lemon in these lemon bars, 5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Alright, and so I'm taking a 9x13 baking dish, and I am just going to spray it with the non-stick cooking spray, so of course nothing sticks to it. So I'm just going to get the sides and the edges, and I'm just going to set that to the side till we're ready to use it. Alright, and so I'm going to start off by making our short crust pastry, and so I'm taking the flour along with the melted butter, the powdered sugar, and the salt, and give that a good mix. And you don't want to over mix it because you want it nice, light, and flaky, but just enough to where you don't see any dry, crumbly bits. So just mix. Alright, and so now we are going to put our dough in the bottom of the baking pan. And using a spatula, I'm just going to even it out and completely cover the bottom of the baking pan. And so of course you want it nice, light, and even, just so it can bake evenly. And now I'm going to pop it in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. So we're going to partially bake this. Alright, and so while that is cooking, we're going to get started on our lemon custard. So I'm taking the granulated sugar, along with the lemon juice, and our eggs. So that's egg number 1, egg number 2, eggs 3 and 4. And just give that a good whisk as well. Okay, that is our lemon custard. Okay, so our pastry has been cooking for about 20 minutes, and so now we are just going to pour our lemon custard on top of it. Okay, and we're going to pop this back in the oven for about 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been cooking for about 15 minutes now, and at this point we're just going to cover it just so the corners doesn't get too overly cut. Just lightly cover it just to protect it a little bit. And now we're going to pop this back in the oven for another 15 minutes or until the center has firmed up a little bit. Okay, so these are lemon bars, absolutely delicious. Now we just gotta let it completely cool. And now that it has cooled, now we can garnish it with the signature powdered sugar on top. And you want to add a lot of powdered sugar, you guys. Don't skimp on the powdered sugar. Okay, and so now of course we're just going to give these little cuts and make them into lemon bars. And there you have it, some delicious lemon bars. I really hope you enjoyed this video, you guys, because I, as always, enjoy making it for you. And if you did enjoy it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to click that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos of mine. But until next time, I will see y'all later. Bye.